Hi, it's your math facilitator Naomi Andrick, and I wanted to go over another problem where we solve an equation with several variables for one of those variables. So here we're given this formula, V equals 1/3 LWH. It might be the formula for the volume of a pyramid, something like that. And we need to solve for a particular variable here, L. And I would solve this really exactly the same way as I did when I had numbers for V and W and H, moving those over by dividing or multiplying on both sides of the equation. Only here I'm doing it with variables instead of numbers. So to start out with, I've got this 1/3, and I don't really like the 1/3 because it's a fraction. I know I need to get rid of it so that L will be without numbers over here on the right side of the equation. So I might start by multiplying both sides of the equation by 3, like so. If I multiply this left side of this equation, I have 3 times V, but of course I just write that as 3V. Over on the right side, over on the right side I have 1/3 of something times 3, and then 1/3 times 3, since order doesn't matter here. If I go ahead and do 1/3 times 3, I end up with just 1. So those, in effect, cancel away. I'm left with 3V on the left and LWH on the right. So there I have that. Now from here, I still don't have L by itself. I need to get rid of the W and I need to get rid of the H. And so in order to get rid of W and H, since they are multiplied times L, I need to do the inverse operation, divide by WH. So I will divide both sides of this equation by WH. I can write that with a line, or I can write it with a division symbol. Here I used the line because you'll probably end up writing it as a fraction in the end anyway. So I divided by WH, and of course this little WH right here will cancel with this one because something divided by itself is 1. So all of this cancels away, and I'm just left with L over on the right side of this equation. And then over on the left side, there's nothing to cancel with this WH, so I have 3V over WH. And this is the solution, kind of, to the equation. I'm solving for L in terms of these variables, so that would be the answer for this type of problem. Okay, I hope this helps. Bye.